What comes to your mind when you hear the word Samsung? A phone? A TV? But did you know it all started with a grocery store? Samsung's journey began in 1938, when a young Korean entrepreneur named Lee Byung-chul, at the age of 28, decided to explore the world of business. The name he chose for his venture was Samsung, a Hanja term translating to 3 stars. Beginning as a grocery trading business with a modest team of 40 employees, Samsung quickly started to diversify, branching into multiple sectors. By the 1950s, the company was dealing in insurance, securities, and retail, making its presence felt across the business landscape. As the 1960s drew to a close, Samsung decided to dip its toes into the world of electronics, an industry that would become synonymous with its name. In 1970, they brought to market their very first product, a 12-inch black and white TV set. And so the electronics giant we know today was born. From a small trading business, Samsung has grown into one of the most versatile companies in human history. This isn't an overstatement, but a testimony to the company's exceptional growth and diversification. In the late 1960s, Samsung made a bold move, venturing into the realm of electronics. The first product they introduced to the market was a simple black and white 12-inch TV set in 1970. This marked the beginning of Samsung's foray into the world of electronics, a field they would soon come to dominate. In 1983, Samsung took another leap, releasing their first computer, a whole 2 years ahead of the first Windows machine. This was a clear indication of Samsung's forward-thinking approach and relentless pursuit of innovation. The 1990s saw Samsung diversify further, stepping into the world of automobile manufacturing. This venture eventually led to a merger with Renault in the early 2000s, birthing the Renault-Samsung Motors Company. Today, Samsung's footprint is evident in various industries. From wearable products to microchips, Samsung's influence is far-reaching. Did you know that Samsung is one of the world's largest microchip manufacturers? So much so that even Apple's iPhone started by using Samsung-produced chips. Since 2006, Samsung has held the title of the world's largest TV manufacturer, and today, they control a whopping 98% of the AMOLED display market. This is the screen technology that doesn't require backlighting to project images. Recently, Samsung has ventured into drone production while also pioneering in the field of virtual reality technology with their famous headset gear. In fact, Samsung's dedication to research and development is so profound that they allocated about $20 billion for it just last year. Today, Samsung is everywhere. From wearable products to microchips to cars, Samsung has left its mark on numerous industries. Samsung's journey from a small trading company to a global conglomerate is not just a story of business expansion, but a testament to the power of innovation, diversification, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Samsung is not just a brand, it's a global phenomenon with a size and influence that's hard to fathom. Today, this Korean giant stands tall with nearly 500,000 employees worldwide. To put that into perspective, Samsung Group has more employees than Microsoft, Apple, and Google combined. In terms of revenue, the figures are just as staggering. Samsung, as a group, rakes in more than $300 billion annually. That's more than the latest revenue statements of Apple at $270 billion, Google at $160 billion, and Microsoft at $60 billion. But Samsung's influence doesn't stop at electronics. The company's reach extends into a multitude of sectors and technologies. Have you ever admired the towering heights of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai or the Petronas Towers in Malaysia? Well, these iconic skyscrapers were constructed by none other than Samsung. Beyond construction, Samsung also has a strong presence in financial services. In Korea, it's not uncommon for individuals to purchase insurance products offered by Samsung. This diversification has allowed Samsung to firmly root itself in the daily lives of millions of people around the world. In the realm of technology, Samsung constantly pushes boundaries. It's one of the world's largest microchip manufacturers and controls a whopping 98% of the AMOLED display market. The company also consistently invests in research and development, with a budget of about $20 billion allocated last year alone. Their technological prowess extends to newer fields too. Samsung has ventured into the production of drones and was a pioneer in virtual reality technology with their famous headset gear. From building iconic skyscrapers to offering financial services, Samsung's influence reaches far beyond the latest smartphone or TV. It is a testament to the power of innovation, diversification, and relentless pursuit of excellence.